Hello Dnation and welcome back. In today's episode, we are going to be unboxing a replica of the Ducati Sport 1000, which is a 118 scale special edition diecast motorcycle replica manufactured by Maisto. And I'm going to be showing you the features and the specifications of this amazing diecast motorcycle replica. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. So, before we get to the good stuff, let's take a quick look at the boxing as always. This Ducati Sport 1000 replica comes mounted on a base plate with a model name on it and in a signature special edition window type box, which is a standard boxing by Maisto. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at the packaging and get this thing open. So, to begin with, my first thoughts about this 118 scale Ducati Sport 1000 diecast replica is that it has quite a good and sturdy build quality and made of diecast for the most part, with a few components made of ABS plastic with some good details, which are standard with the Maisto motorcycle replicas. And I should admit that this model looks quite amazing and looks exactly like its real life counterpart. So getting down to a few features and specifications, this replica measures in at 4.5 inches in length, 3 inches in height, 2 inches in width, and weighs in approximately at about 110 grams, which are standard 118 scale diecast motorcycle specs. And with that out of the way, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the features and the functionality of this 118 scale Ducati Sport 1000 diecast replica, and please do let me know as to what are your favorite features regarding this awesome diecast replica in the comments below. And stay tuned for some fun facts on the Ducati Sport 1000 coming up. Well, by the looks of it, all I can say is that this is a beautiful and well-detailed diecast replica of the Ducati Sport 1000, and I'm glad that I got this model to add to my 118 scale diecast motorcycle collection. So overall, this is a beautiful diecast replica and a definite must-have for any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist, especially if you are a Ducati enthusiast. And in case you're interested, kindly find further features, specifications, and the Best Buy link for this diecast replica in the description below. So with that out of the way, let's place this amazing and well-detailed Ducati Sport 1000 replica on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and its functionality. Well, the functionality seems to be perfect and just as beautiful as the highly detailed exteriors. And this amazing Ducati motorcycle replica gets a massive thumbs up from me for its looks as well as for its functionality. So with that being said, let's place this amazing Ducati diecast replica on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this diecast beauty in a 360-degree view, and stay tuned for some fun facts on the Ducati Sport 1000 coming up. The Ducati Sport Classics were a range of retro-styled motorcycles introduced by Ducati at the 2003 Tokyo Motor Show and put on sale in 2005 for the 2006 model year. The Paul Smart version was made for the 2006 model year only, while the Sport 1000 ran from 2006 through the 2009 model years, and the GT 1000 ran from 2007 through 2010 model years. They were the product of Ducati's design chief Pierre Terblanche, who said the series started with the evolutionary MH900E replica of the Mike Halewood's victorious 1978 Isle of Man TT bike. The Sport 1000 took its inspiration from the 1973 Ducati 750 Sport and related 750 Imola Desmo, and had the look of a classic lightweight single-seat caferacer. It used a 2-valve 1000 DS motor with a 1425mm wheelbase, trellis tube frame. The suspension used 3-way adjustable single sashes rear shocks and non-adjustable 43mm Mazuki front forks. The wheels were wire-spoke large section alloy rims with tubed Pirelli Phantom tires. Borrani were approached to supply the rims but could not supply the volume, so XL rims were used. The Sport 1000 was available in black with a white stripe, red with white stripes, or amber with black stripes. And for further information on the Ducati Sport 1000, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this amazing Ducati Sport 1000 replica, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below, so go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts about this amazing Ducati diecast replica. And this brings us to the end of this episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, a like, comment and share would be much appreciated. And kindly support D-Nation by subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. Also do follow us at dnation.in on Instagram for daily diecast previews and updates, and stay tuned for all new and one-of-a-kind diecast episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.